Hello guys, today we've got the Makita cordless 18 volt strimmer on the bench. Now this is a model DUR181 and today's job I'm going to be showing you how to change the strimmer line in this. And to do that, the first thing we're going to do is remove the spool head assembly. Now there's two little tabs on the side. Now we just press those in, withdraw the head. That comes out in two sections, and if you look underneath there we can see a hole for the lead. There's a directional arrows on the back for winding the lead, a little slot to retain the lead, and a tiny hole in there. Now this can be the tricky part, so we'll get some lead and I'll show you exactly how to do that. Right, so we've got the lead, so what we want to do is thread that through there, and hopefully the camera's going to be picking that up for you. I'll put a picture on the video just to show you a close-up of this. Now there's a tiny hole, a locating hole for this lead. I think this lead is roughly, if I remember correctly, about 1.6 milli. We just place that in the hole. That can be a tricky bit. Sometimes it's easier to actually get your snipe nose pliers to lock that in, and you can see the retaining tabs. We just need to press that in the side, press those in, and also while keeping pressure on that lead, just take the access up. Now that seems to have gone in there quite well. That's gripped it. Just make sure that we're located in there and it's not going to come out. So all we need to do now is follow those directional arrows. Let's wind this lead on. Try and do that as neatly as you can, keeping the tension on as we're doing it. Now you can see the tabs on the side. That's just to retain it in position while we relocate it back onto the head. So next move, thread that through the locating hole. That's fine. And just relocate that back on the head, making sure that it is free off the tab, by the way, so we're not still on the tab when we pull it in, otherwise you're going to have an awful problem releasing the lead. That's just a guide to get us in there. Pressure back on. Now is check that that will release. There we are. And press that again, just to the safe side. Well, that's done. All we need to do now is just trim that to size, and we'll do that with the snips. That's it. Job done. Easy. Just thought this video might be helpful for any of you guys out there looking to change the lead on your Makita DUR181. Most of the strimmers are similar. Some of them have got the 2 feed leads. It's a different process, but for this one it's quite simple. And as always guys, I do hope it's been helpful. If it has, give us a thumbs up. Also consider subscribing, it does help the channel grow. And as usual, thank you for watching, take care, and I'll see you on the next video.